Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Time for a trip back to the 70s again with the B12. More specifically, here's the R code. That's the R number. So it's R150, randomly the R logo, B12/3, glass. Love these old line drawings. And, oh, it's already there. We have the manual as well. There you go, it's R150, 26, 11, 1976. So after that really long hot summer the UK had, 1976. So this is now 49 years old, this model. So, ta-da! Without ado, here she comes with a little bit of a good strain. And she has Chuff Chuff. Here we are in Wartime Black, my third Wartime Black model. You've already seen, hopefully you've seen the Lemberg, the A3 Lemberg, Brian Scotsman in Wartime Black as well, but here she is. X04 motor in this one, because this one's got a brass worm gear. It's a 460. The B12s were originally from the Great Eastern Railway, which very, very, very appropriate for me, because that's near where I live, that old region. And they were reclassified. They were the S69s first, bloody number. And then they became the B12s from LNER. Only one is preserved, and that should still be at the North Norfolk Railway. But yeah, here's this one, and on the other line, we've got my hybrid, which is stored, put in a teak, which is a Triang chassis and motor. So it's an X03 motor in that one, because it's got the nylon worm gear. But a was made in China bodywork and tender. So it's a bit more up to date. And, well, looks a bit nicer. That poor guard in that breakdown is having a terrible, terrible time. The sound of an X04 motor. It's just something about them. So here's the model, Wartime Black. You can just see the brass worm gear through the gap in the chassis. Metal safety valves and whistle. It runs on modern track because the flanges are smaller, unlike earlier Triang models. Because this would have been originally by Triang. Wartime Black, no handrails, so hence why we have a chassis. Chuff Chuff in the tender. That's Hornby. And I put guard on there thinking, oh, what's going on? Bit noisy motor, but what do you expect? It's from the 1970s. And the other one, oh, restored again. Go, you bastard. There you go. There's not so much inertia, but when I cut the power, they're just sliding on the rails. Whoops, that guard should probably be dead now. Yeah, I'm just having a little play. The sound of a Chuff Chuff sounds amazing, doesn't it? So yeah, that's today's video. A bit of a short main one. I've I've also been painting crew again. That's fun. Painting more crew. There you go. Oh, I need to find somewhere where I can buy a shit ton of these, so I can just paint a load up ready to go to put in Steam logos. Or just have a bit more of the chuff chuff. Probably need to clean this rail here. Probably losing connectivity there. But yeah, anyway, if you want to support the channel, make sure you check out the link to buy me a coffee. Um, check out the Champion Yard on Thursday evenings from 8 p.m. That's hosted by Little Western Railway, which is James, Proper Chuffed, Hilton. The Kill Line, Rob, and Engage USA, which is Dan. And I moderate for everyone's pleasure, and I've just realised the camera's not focused. Focus on the logo. Come, as I bring even further into frame. So yeah, make sure you do that. Like, subscribe to me, please. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, I won't have any issues with the audio when I first filmed this. Yeah. Anyway, cheers for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Stop stalling me, git.